Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to convert legal size page to letter size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file, check the page size, file menu, properties. This one is legal size. And go to tools menu, measure, add the letter size measurement. Now go to edit PDF and add the crop page, draw the crop mark, double click on the crop mark and all page and click OK. Now check the page size. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.